In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix error in message stream on ChatGPT app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are trying to generate responses, but each and every time you are getting this error, it's pretty simple. Let me show you how you can fix this. Now, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, you can just go ahead and click on these dotted lines and then retry generating your response again. At this point, this should be able to fix your problem in most cases. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then it means that your thread might be too long, and all you need to do is to go ahead and start a new chat and ask the same question or generate a new chat. And in most cases, this should be able to fix your problem. However, should this not work, then it means your app contains a lot of cache data and you need to fix this. And to fix this, just go to your app and then long press on it and tap on app info. And here you should see this option called clear data. If I go to storage here, you should be able to see the data on this app. Of importance is these cache files. When we talk of cache files, these are just small files that your app normally collects to enhance user experience, but the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. So go ahead and tap on clear data here and then choose clear cache and OK, and go back to your app, and this should have fixed your problem. If that doesn't fix, then come back to clear data, and this time around tap on clear all data, and here you will need now to log in afresh with your account details, and at this point everything should be okay. You may also want to look out for any update if it is available on your Google Play Store or App Store, and then update your app to the latest version. By using any of these methods, you should be able to fix any issue related to your ChatGPT app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.